Exploring the unique features of BingX Exchange. A trader's perspective. Hello crypto enthusiasts and BingX fans. Are you looking to take your trading experience to the next level? In today's video, we'll dive deep into the unique features of the BingX Exchange, exploring what sets it apart from the competition and how it can benefit traders like you. Get ready to discover a world of innovative tools, comprehensive resources, and a user-friendly platform designed to enhance your crypto journey. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the exciting world of BingX. BingX is a rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchange that has garnered a lot of attention in the crypto community for its innovative approach and user-centric features. As a trader, you're always on the lookout for platforms that can provide a seamless and efficient trading experience, and BingX delivers on that front with flying colors. One of the most significant advantages of BingX is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed with both novice and experienced traders in mind, ensuring that everyone can navigate and execute trades with ease. The clean and intuitive layout allows you to access all the essential tools and information you need without feeling overwhelmed. But BingX isn't just about a sleek interface, it's packed with powerful features that cater to the diverse needs of traders. One standout feature is the advanced order types offered by the exchange. Whether you're a scalper, swing trader, or investor, BingX has you covered with a range of order types, including limit, market, stop-loss, and trailing stop orders. This flexibility allows you to execute trades with precision and manage your risk effectively. Speaking of risk management, BingX takes it seriously. The exchange offers robust security measures, including two-factor authentication to anti-phishing mechanisms and cold wallet storage for the majority of user funds. This ensures that your assets are protected from potential threats and gives you peace of mind when trading on the platform. Another unique aspect of BingX is its social trading feature. With this innovative tool, you can connect with other traders, share insights, and even follow successful traders' strategies. This feature not only fosters a sense of community, but also provides valuable learning opportunities, especially for those new to the crypto trading world. But wait, there's more. BingX also offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and an extensive knowledge base. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, BingX has got you covered. The exchange understands the importance of continuous learning in the ever-evolving crypto market. Now, let's talk about the trading experience itself. BingX boasts lightning-fast order execution, ensuring that your trades are executed swiftly and accurately. Additionally, the exchange offers competitive trading fees, making it an attractive option for both casual and high-volume traders. One of the standout features for active traders is the availability of margin trading on BingX. With this feature, you can leverage your positions and potentially amplify your profits. It's crucial to understand and manage the associated risks before engaging in margin trading. But what really sets BingX apart is its commitment to innovation and user satisfaction. The exchange regularly introduces new features and updates based on user feedback, ensuring that the platform remains cutting-edge and tailored to the needs of its users. And that's not all. BingX has a unique referral program that rewards you for introducing new users to the platform. By using the referral code 911 during registration, you'll not only receive exclusive benefits, but also contribute to the growth of the BingX community. BingX is a cryptocurrency exchange that truly stands out in the crowded market. With its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, robust security measures, social trading capabilities, and commitment to innovation, BingX offers a comprehensive and engaging trading experience for traders of all levels. Don't miss out on this opportunity to explore the unique features of BingX and take your trading journey to new heights. Sign up today using the referral code 911 and become part of the vibrant BingX community.